Hey there. Do you know that your business can run 24/7? But sometimes what you forget is that a lot of automation is required in order to run it 24/7. And if you are somebody who has a customer facing role or you need someone to be available at your beck and call, you need something like an AI chatbot. And do you know that HubSpot has a free AI chatbot builder? Let's see how you can use it in order to further your inbound journey. So guys, in order to get started with the free AI chatbot builder inside HubSpot, firstly visit this page and the link for this one is included in the description below. Click on Get Started Free. Once you do that, it will ask you to either sign up for HubSpot or sign in case you already have an account. Yes, we do have an account. Let us just sign in. So we'll just sign into our account, put in the password, click on Login, choose the appropriate workspace. Once you are inside your account, now on the left, look at the thing called as automations. Click there, click on chat flows, and there is another option called as AI chatbot. Click on that. Right now it's in beta. When you click on AI chatbot, it will allow you different options. So there is the option to drive growth and efficiency with an AI chatbot. Yes, absolutely. It saves you a lot of time and hassle. Click on setup now. Now it will prepare your AI chatbot. You can select the sources. So for example, you can choose your knowledge base and can also choose your blog articles. In case you have a lot of published blog articles, it will use that as a source. You can also use content from different URLs, which will be synced and used as a resource for the AI chatbot. That's something good. Once you have selected all of your sources, for example, maybe we want it to know everything from cta9.com. Click on save, and now it will just sync that. Click on next. Here you have a lot of different options. So the AI chatbot will respond first, and any existing team or agent routing would be replaced by the AI chatbot in a selected workflow. So for example, I choose Rahul's workflow, and here Rahul's first role to respond would be replaced by the AI chatbot. Now I'll click on next, and the welcome message would be something which I can customize. Hi there, are you thinking about our services? I'd be happy to answer any questions regarding our services. If the AI can't answer, assign it to specific users and team. That is something which can be done. Maybe me and Pawan can respond to these questions in case the AI can't answer firstly. And then we click on assign to live chat, and our AI chatbot is ready. And there's also an option to set email capture. So we can ask visitors for their email address, maybe if no team member responds after 1 minute. So that is something which will help us capture leads as well as save our time in the case when AI can't respond to them correctly. Click on save. Here we click on target. So we can also target our visitors by choosing the web pages where we would like this chat flow to appear. So for example, right now when website URL is all pages, this is active, and maybe we can set it to when query parameter name is a particular value begins with maybe search. When somebody is trying to search something on our website, then we can add such a rule. We can also set visitor information and behavioral rule. So if a visitor is a contact, maybe then we show them the chat, we click on save. Such settings can also be changed over here. So we can choose a custom chat avatar for maybe our AI chatbot, for our team members as well, which shows a single unified branding for all of these people. In the chat display behavior, we can also choose how it opens up on desktop or mobile and all of these things. And we can also set up a time. For example, if somebody has spent 10 seconds on the website, then maybe we open up this chat flow. And in the options section, you can see there are a lot of different things. You can also ask people consent in order to process their data, consent in order to collect chat cookies. And sometimes you need to do all of these things in case you are specifically targeting users from EU. So you have to set up all of this. You can also set the contacts created as marketing contacts and click on save. Once all of this is done, you just enable this. You can also preview this, and here our AI chatbot. This is something which our AI chatbot will look like. And you can also click on restart in order to restart the whole conversation with this chatbot. And this is how it will work. This is how you can implement this very easily. And this is the beta method. Other than that, In the other chat flows method, you can also increase the accuracy of the AI's responses by importing new data sources, and that is something good. Now the AI chatbot is set up, so we can go to its settings, and you can add more things to its knowledge base so that it knows more. Otherwise, the older method to do all of that was you click on automations, then you click on chat flows instead of the AI chatbot, which is in beta right now. You click on create chat flow. Here you click on maybe website option, and you can choose an inbox or help desk. Maybe I choose the inbox option. I click on next, and here on the left side there are different options. For example, there is live chat with AI chatbot, which is in beta. There's the option for knowledge base plus live chat, which is pretty good. Then there's a concierge bot, which will immediately give users actions to take. For example, they can talk to sales and do a lot more. There is an option to add a qualify leads bot. So visitors would be asked certain questions, and then depending upon whether they are qualifying or not, they'll be sent to your live team. And this is how all of this works. There's a meetings bot as well, knowledge base plus support bot as well, and you can also build a bot that meets your needs. So for example, I want a concierge bot, so I can choose that option, click on next, and I can select a meetings link. Maybe I want this particular meeting to be used. I click on create. So you can see that this bot would have some specific options that we have set up. So the bot will open up with, got any questions, I'm happy to help, and it will allow the visitor to choose an option from all of these. So the visitor can choose whether they want to learn more, get help, or talk to sales. So if the response is get help, then we can set a different branch for that. If the response is of learn more, we can set a different branch for that. If the response is for talk to sales, we can set up a different branch for that. When all of these things are done, you can finally click on enabling this chatbot, and you can also preview this on the right side. So this is how it will work. And this is how you can create AI powered chatbots inside HubSpot for free. And in case you want to access some really advanced functionalities, maybe you would need to upgrade to a paid plan. Like few of the starter bots are available for free, and you can always upgrade in case you need more functionality.
So guys, I hope you liked the free AI chatbot builder by HubSpot. In case you're somebody who's just starting out with HubSpot, do follow all of our series on HubSpot. It's present in all of the playlists on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to CT9 YouTube channel, as well as share the word around in case you found our videos informative. And if you need our help in order to build something awesome of your own that you might believe in with all of your heart, then do let us know about it in the comments below. Book a free one-on-one consultation call via the QR code on the screen in front of you, or you can click on the link in the pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next video.